got my truck stolen this morning. That's from the shop. Ended up getting it back. They fucked up my rear end, so it's getting redone again. Fucked up my bed. Fucked up my interior. Fucked up my front end. A whole bunch of shit. But we got it back. So the video I was gonna make was gonna be of my truck at the shop, getting the true track that I just put in checked out, make sure everything's alright. Instead, it got stolen Sunday night, and they fucked it up pretty bad. So instead, I'm making a damage report of how bad my truck is. Stole my radio, but left that radio, that speaker, all the tow straps, all the jacks, all my tools, everything. They left it in there. Fucked up my ignition. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for further details and updates and videos. Shout out Western Drivetrain for fixing my brand new true track and the whole rear end again, right after it got stolen. And take out the ignition switch and replace it. End up replacing this handle today too, because that's fucking bullshit. Yeah. Ignition switch and push start button wired up. Look at that, doesn't even look like she's been stolen. Stupid fucking people. Just need to do the radio. Push start. Ignition switch is all hooked up now. Kill switch works. Kill switch off. I got laid out, so I'll end up putting the radio in tomorrow and the door handles. As y'all can see, it's the next day. About to put this radio in, so let's get it.
This rich nigga dick, it ain't free. She be throwing that out, yeah, she good at it. Turn around when we fuck, make her look at it.
Well, y'all, got my ignition hooked up, push start, radio, dash is all back together, columns all back together. Everything's good now. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video.